In this video, we will be comparing two popular smartphone gimbals, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit and the Hohem iSteady X3 SE. Both gimbals offer excellent stabilization for video recording, but they cater to different needs and preferences. We'll explore their specifications, pros and cons, and user reviews to help you choose the best fit for your vlogging adventures. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit boasts a stabilization system known as iSteady 7.0, providing superior stabilization for your videos. It features a magnetic fill light, ultra-wide-angle mode, and a remarkable battery life of 13 hours. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady X3 SE, while slightly less advanced, offers a lightweight design with a detachable remote control and a battery life of 11 hours. Both gimbals are compatible with a wide range of smartphones, making them versatile options for content creators. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit is praised for its superior stabilization and versatile features, including a magnetic fill light and ultra-wide-angle mode. However, it comes at a higher price and is bulkier than its counterpart. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady X3 SE is lightweight and portable, making it ideal for travel. It includes a detachable remote, but it lacks some advanced features like the fill light and has slightly shorter battery life. Both have their strengths and weaknesses, catering to different user needs. Users have shared positive feedback about the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit, highlighting its amazing stabilization and the usefulness of the fill light in low-light conditions. However, some find it a bit bulky for everyday use. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady X3 SE is celebrated for its portability and ease of use, making it a fantastic choice for travel vlogging. While some users wish it had a fill light, many appreciate its value for the price. In conclusion, the choice between the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus Kit and the Hohem iSteady X3 SE ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize advanced features and superior stabilization, the Mobile Plus Kit is the way to go. However, if you value portability and affordability, the X3 SE is an excellent option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.